So, typically not. You can have a rough idea based on trend, on the geodes that form in that area, what something might be. Something like this Las Choyas geode from Mexico is notoriously difficult because, they can be amethyst, but it's a very, very small, not a very small percent, maybe 1 in 15. They can be smoke. There's such a wide variety of things they can be, so let's hope we get fortunate. And got a pale amethyst. And look at this calcite up here. Oh my. Look at that. And down here, nice blue agate.